Hi, Sprout Lake. I hope everyone is doing well at home. We miss you so much and hope we can bring all kinds of cool activities home to you. I wanted to teach you something really cool today. I don't know if you guys remember, but Israel's first prime minister, David Ben Gurion, or David Ben Gurion, had a special talent. You guys can pause the video and go online to check and see if you can find something that he did that is very different than other politicians. He used to say that this helps him think. If you just came back and found out, you are correct. Even if you didn't, I'm going to show you David Ben Gurion's special talent. David Ben Gurion used to stand on his head. This is a famous picture of him standing on his head at the beach in Tel Aviv. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do your own headstand. Are you ready? You guys need to find some space. The next thing you're going to do is find something soft for your head. Then you're going to make a fake triangle on the carpet. Or pillow or floor, anywhere you're trying this out. You guys are going to put your head on the tip of the triangle and your hands on the base. Are you ready?
Slowly move your body weight towards your head. You can climb with your legs and push all the way up
until you're standing straight on your head, just like Israel's first prime minister, David Ben Gurion. That's it for today. Bye,